So previously we were typing a program that was not working. Okay, I have typed that and I have saved also, so I'll open that program. Okay, that is this. This was the program that is given on page number 42. You can see. Don't speak. Others, you keep your mic closed. Whenever you need, you can open. Okay, but not all time. So here, clear the screen. N's value is 0. Some value is 0. Now do. After do, you have to write all the statement, all the calculation statement. Okay. The statement that you require for the calculation. So here after do, I have written some value will be sum plus n. Okay. And n value will increase by 2. Okay, so after do, you can give all the calculation equations. Okay, then after giving all the type of calculation equation, you can type loop while n, means the loop will run up to what time. Okay, so loop will run until the n value will reach to 10. Okay, as n value will reach to 10, the result will be, okay, each and every time the result will be the sum. The sum is the sum, means n value will increase by 2 until it reach to 10, and it will add in sum. Okay, let's do the solution of this program by explaining. Okay, now here, n value is 0. Now it will go to this statement as sum is equal to sum plus n, means here sum's value is 0 or n value is also 0. So result will be 0. Okay. Now here n value will increase 2 by 2. 0 plus 2. Now n value is 2. Now it will go to loop and check the condition. Now n value is greater than 10. No, n value is now 2, and it is not greater than 10. So it will print sum, means it will print 2. Now again it will go to n. Now n value is 2, sum value is 0. Then it will go to equation. Sum value will be sum plus n, means sum is 0, 0 plus n. 0 plus 2 will be 2. Okay. Now n value, sum value is now 2. Now n equation will run, n value will increase by 2. N value is now 2, 2 plus 2, 4. Okay, so again loop will check that n value reached to 10. No, n value is not reached to 10. So it will print the sum, that is sum value, now it is 2. Now again it n value is 4, sum value is 2. Now it will calculate to this. Sum will be sum plus n. Sum value is 2 and n value is 4. 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4, 6. Now the result that will get will be 6. Similarly, it reached to 10. Okay, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10. As it reached to 10, it will calculate sum plus 10, means sum will be 8 and 8 plus 10, 18. So it will give the result. Let's run it. Now the result will be 30. So if you calculate manually, you will get the result. Okay. Sum will be how? Sum will be 30. Let's see. Now sum value is 0. Then 0 plus 2, 2. Then 2 plus 4, 8. Then 8 plus 8. Sorry, 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6, how much? 14. Okay, now sum's value is 14. And n value is 6. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 will be 6 plus 2.
8. 8, ma'am, 8.
Now n value is 16 and 8. 16 plus 8. 16 plus 8.
24. 24.
Okay. Now 24. Keep it mind 24. Sums value is 24 and n value is 8. Okay. Now n value will increase by 2. Okay. 8. Sorry, it is 24 now.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, again, let's do. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Maybe it has some mistake.
Actually, we are doing some mistake.
Yes, ma'am, we are doing mistake.
So let's calculate one more. Now n value is 0, some value is also 0. Okay. Now here
Yes, ma'am.
some result will be 0 because 0 plus 0 will be 0. Now n
Yes,
value
ma'am.
increased by 2. Okay, 0 plus 2.
Yes, ma'am.
0 plus
2.
2. Now you keep in mind that sums value is 2 and n value is also 2. Okay. Now n value will increase by 2. So n value will be 4. So here 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. 6. Now sums value is 6. Okay, and n
6.
value is 4. Now 4 plus 6. 4 plus 2, 6.
10.
4 plus 2, 10. N value will increase by 2 and some value will be the old value and the plus n value. Now sum was 6 and n is also present is 6. So 6 plus 6. 6 plus 12. N value is now 12. Sorry, sum value is 12 or n value was 6. So 6 plus 2, 8. 12 plus 8. 12 plus 8.
20.
Okay, 20. 12 plus 8, 20. Now sum value is 20 and n value was 8. Now 8 plus 2, 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
10.
20 plus
And 20
10,
plus 10 is equal to 30.
30. That's what we are
Yes,
getting
ma'am.
here. That's
Yes,
what we
ma'am.
are getting here. Now our calculation is correct? Or let's
Yes, ma'am.
calculate one more.
Yes, ma'am.
Once more time.
No, ma'am, calculation is correct.
You want me to do calculation once again?
No, ma'am, calculation is correct.
Calculation is correct now, na? Okay, if
Yes,
you
ma'am.
calculate in
Ma'am.
your copy, then only you will be clear completely. Okay, this equation means
Yes,
you have to increase the number n value by 1 and you have to add the n value in the sum result. Okay, then only you will get the result, that is 30. Is it clear?
Ma'am, why screen?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Yes, ma'am, clear. Now let's do the next question also, that I think I have saved that. Let me open.
Ma'am, someone is speaking.
What happened, beta?
Ma'am, someone speak very slowly.
Speak up louder, beta.
Ma'am, why screen is recording?
Yes?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, he is saying why screen is recording.
Because your screen is recording, because beta, this screen is recording because you can get it after you finish the class.
Okay, miss.
As I given the previous class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but previous class it was not good, so I didn't send that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
But today's class I'll send. Okay. Now let's write another one.